Welcome back to Giggle Thinkers! Are you ready to play and learn? Simple engineering projects with blocks and recycled materials. Let's giggle, guess, and grow together. What is the opposite of up? See down. If something is hot, what is the opposite? A. Cold. What is the opposite of big? B. Tiny. When it's dark, the opposite is A. Bright. If you're going fast, what's the opposite? B. Slow. A closed door's opposite is C. Open. What's the opposite of clean? B. Dirty. What is the opposite of tall? A. Short. If a toy is soft, the opposite is A. Hard. What's the opposite of happy? B. Sad. When you're inside, the opposite is C. Outside. If a box is empty, the opposite is A. Full. What's the opposite of night? B. Day. If someone is quiet, the opposite is A. Loud. What is the opposite of yes? A. No. What can you use to connect two blocks together? B. Glue. What do you need to measure how tall your tower is? A. Ruler. What should you build on to make sure your tower doesn't fall? C. Flat surface. Which of these is a building material? A. Foam blocks. Well, what can help you get new ideas for building? A. Reading books. Thank you for watching Giggle Thinkers. Make sure to subscribe for more learning and fun.